Hi everyone, this is Brad. Yesterday I showed how you can search for 360 videos in YouTube, save them to a playlist, and now I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and find them and view them in Google Cardboard. So, create one called VR for School, and I'm going to use Old Faithful. So you can see that there's a cardboard right there and it has 360. We're going to select it, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pause. Now, I'm going to have it right around the time when Old Faithful is about to erupt. What you need to do is right next to it has 308. You want to select the cardboard right there so you can see right in there that you would need to obviously turn this sideways and place it in the cardboard, but you see where the little white dot is. And I'm going to move that up, and you would use that on your cardboard, and then you would press down on whatever button there may be and select play. And there's Old Faithful. Very cool, definitely something to check out. Of course, obviously, since it's 360, you can move it all around and check it out. So there you go. That's how you can use Google Cardboard. If you do have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.